This video guides you through replacing the batteries in the L-TWOO TT controller and brake lever. Check the battery level. Press the up, down shift buttons on the TT controller to check the battery level indicator. Green flash, battery level is sufficient, shifting operates normally. Red flash, battery is low, replace the battery soon. No light, battery is dead, shifting will not function, so replace the battery immediately. Battery replacement. Use a 2.5mm hex key to loosen the screws counterclockwise, and remove the main body of the controller. Next, use a T5 Torx tool to unscrew the 3 screws on the battery cover counterclockwise. Remove the cover, and remove the old CR203 battery. Then insert a new CR203 battery with the positive side facing up, reattach the cover, and tighten the screws. Finally, reattach the main body of the controller, and tighten the screws to complete the battery replacement process. Check the battery level. Use a CR203 battery to twist the controller's battery cover counterclockwise to open it, and remove the old battery. Insert a new CR163 battery, ensuring correct polarity. Twist the battery cover clockwise using the CR203 battery to secure it. Check the battery level. Thank you for watching this video.